Hi and welcome. I'm going to put together a folio today from my shop, and this is going to be a sort of tutorial for anyone who buys this folio. And yours may look a little different than this. I am going to have a few that are all from the same template, but they're all put together exactly the same way. It's a PDF download. You're going to have one file of backing paper, one file of the main images, and an additional file of lined paper that you can use if you want to as backing paper for one of the images. You can see here's all of the pages that you want to print the backing paper on. And then this page down here at the bottom, if you want to print the lined paper, you can. And then when you flip over the note cards, you'll have lined spots on the back. So I have just cut them out here. And now I am scoring them on a scoring card, and this is the main body. You want to just score and fold on the lines, and I'm using a scorecard here. A scoreboard, not a scorecard, is what I meant to say there. I used it to help me cut out the pieces as well because it has a paper trimmer on the end of it. And now after you've finished scoring it, you can fold it. And this part will make the main body of the folio. You also want to fold the pockets and the tabs just on the lines. I'm not going to show that here, but in the next segment you will be able to see how they were folded. I'm just laughing at myself for saying segment. I'm a very awkward speaker, but I'm just doing my best here. So now you can see how they were folded, and I am assembling the tabs that are going to form the waterfall. And you just want to line them up smallest to largest and glue them together as shown. And if you just line up the tops, they will come out perfectly, or probably not perfectly. I'm not sure if I've ever had anything actually come out perfectly, but that is in any case how you assemble these. After you've finished putting the tabs together, you can glue them into the folio. You want to line it up with the top. After you've assembled the waterfall tabs, you can add the pockets, and this one you can place higher if you want it hidden underneath, or lower if you don't mind it showing, which I don't. You can put these in any order. You just want to make sure that the top one is low enough that the tag will fit into it, which I think even if you put it at the very top, one of the smaller tags would still fit into it. After you're done with the pockets, you can start gluing on some embellishments. There are plenty. And of course you can put them wherever you like, or not, they're totally optional. As is everything's optional. You could change up the pocket placement, you could make the folio however you wanted to. And so here I've decided to glue another one of the butterflies onto the front of it. And as mentioned, that little note card pictured on the back of it is a cool hidden journal spot because I chose to print the lined backing paper on the back of that page. And then you can see some of the tags that go with it. And the rest of the video is just putting some of them in and playing around. I had a lot of fun designing these. I think that they're super pretty, and I'm planning on adding some more that I haven't designed yet, so I'm hoping to make some more shabby chic versions as well. And this is one cool little feature, is these strips can be used to make little tuck spots for the tags, and if you just put a little bit of glue on both ends, it will hold the tag onto the tab. And that's another option that you can do. So now the folio is basically complete. You can continue to embellish it. And I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment here. Is an easy way to ask a question. And thank you so much for watching. And if you did purchase this, I hope you enjoy it. I'll put a link to some of the different folios made with this template in the description. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.